This video shows how to properly change the pump in your Portacool Cyclone 120 or 130 portable evaporative cooler. To begin, ensure the evaporative cooler is unplugged and on a level surface. Remove the media flap from the back of the evaporative cooler and then remove the Cool Comfort evaporative media. Once the evaporative cooler is open, cut the zip ties, one holding the electrical box closed and all the ones holding the electrical cords together, making sure to not cut the cords. Remove the screw from the green ground wire on the blower housing. Then remove the two screws from the switch plate on the outside of the evaporative cooler and slide the entire box out of the evaporative cooler housing. Turn the box over and open by gently pushing on the 5 tabs. Find the pump cord in the electrical box and disconnect it. It is the medium-sized Quick Connection tab. Remove the two screws holding the bracket to the housing and pull the brace and pump from the housings. Remove the clamp on the hose, which is connected to the pump, and remove the hose. Place the new pump in the bracket. Reconnect the hose to the pump and replace the clamp. Place the pump and bracket in the housing and secure it with 2 screws. Connect the new pump cord to the connector inside the electrical box. Ensure the 4 rubber grommets are in place, then close the box by snapping 5 tabs in place. Push the electrical box back into place until it is flush against the evaporative cooler. Secure the electrical box inside the evaporative cooler with 2 screws on the switch plate. Zip tie the electrical box closed, then gather cords and zip tie together, clipping the ends. Reattach the green ground wire with 1 screw. Replace the evaporative media, paying close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrows should point up and inward. Replace the media flap and secure it with screws.